In today's episode, I'm going to show you a very basic and a common mithai or sweet, that is the malai or the milk peda. In this recipe, you're also going to learn how to make the mawa. So let's see how. I'm going to start with boiling some milk. I have 1.5 liters of milk here. This is full fat milk. I'm going to pour it into this pan. Bring this to a boil, and once the milk starts boiling, just keep stirring. The milk has started to boil, and at this point I'm going to start stirring. You have to take care that the milk doesn't overflow and doesn't stick to the pan, because once it starts thickening, it's going to start sticking to the pan. You have to keep stirring and cook this milk till it reduces to at least 3/4 quantity. While boiling the milk, make sure you keep the heat on low, because otherwise you won't be able to handle it. The milk has started to thicken. You can see small lumps being formed. At this point, I'm going to add the sugar now. I have 1/2 cup of sugar here. Let's add it in. You have to keep stirring this continuously. You can't leave it alone. Don't get your eyes off it. Of course, if you're making plain mawa, then you need not add sugar. Just continue cooking it till it becomes thick. The milk is further reduced and you can see that it's become nice and thick. At this point, I'm also going to add 1/2 cup of malai. If you have it, you can add some. This helps in keeping the pedas nice and soft. Beyond this consistency, use a rubber spatula to scrape out all the sides. Otherwise, it tends to burn on the side, and as well as it helps in cleaning the pan. This has reached a consistency of a soft mawa right now. So I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder to flavor this. Mix it well. This is ready. It's reached the perfect consistency. And now I'm going to turn off the flame and spread this mawa in the pan and leave it to cool down only for 2 minutes in the hot pan. 2 minutes are up, and now let's empty this in a plate. Let it cool down for a couple more minutes before we start shaping it. While this is slightly warm, start shaping this. The best thing to eat on earth is warm sweetened mawa. There's nothing better than that, trust me. But right now, I'm just going to shape this. Just simple round ball. Flatten it slightly. You could even roll it on the board. And then garnish it with 1/2 pistachio. If you feel, there are too many granules in your mawa, what you can do is, it's a cheat basically, just grind it in a blender for just a minute and that's it. So you'll just smoothen out the mawa and it'll be easier to make the pedas and there won't be any cracks. Half the year in India is festive season, so you can enjoy it at that time. But like me, you really don't need to wait for a festival. You can just make this milk peda to satiate your sweet tooth. So do try this at home, comment below, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.